Well, everybody, welcome to Thermo News.
Here, wait, we're not live yet.
Whoops.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Thermo News at 10. Today we will be talking to two different scientists all the way from Germany. These two scientists have discovered two new breakthrough products, a hot plate and a cold cup. We are very lucky to be able to get an online interview with them. So here today, live from Germany, are the two new scientists about their two new products.
Hello Americans, my name is Heat, and today I'll be discussing my new invention called the Hot and Tot. It is a food heating device. All you need to do is put your food on the plate and it'll heat it. It's really cool. Alright, so this is the reaction that takes place inside the plate. There are molecules of CaCl2, and when you put your food on the plate, the weight sensors break the molecules of CaCl2 into Ca2+ and 2Cl-, and also in addition it releases off heat. This is the reactants, the CaCl2, and it gives you off the products, and it releases heat back into the food, which therefore heats the food, and that's how it heats. Alright, this is another way of looking at the chemical reaction that takes place inside of the plate. This is a graph, and here we have energy and time. So this is like the reaction as time goes on. You start with a high amount of energy with the CaCl2. The activation requires this much amount of energy for the reaction to take place, so you have the activation energy. This is caused by the weight. That's the energy taking place. So as time goes on, the energy level goes up and it decreases. And it decreases down here. This is where the reaction ends. These are your products. You get calcium and chlorine and heat. Now that makes sense because it's giving off heat as a product, and that's what heats your food. That heat is what heats your food. This is what's known as an exothermic reaction. And as you can see, our delta H, our change in heat change in energy from CaCl2 to Ca plus 2Cl is negative, which is characteristic of an exothermic reaction. And that's another way of looking at the reaction that takes place. Alright, now I'll be showing you how the design of this plate actually works. On the bottom side of the plate, this portion is all CaCl2. These are the reactants, and there's a ridge right here that separates this from water inside the plate. When there is weight put on the plate, the ridge is broken, and the CaCl2 can now mix with the water, and that's the reaction, how that reaction gives off heat, which causes the reaction to give off heat and heat your food. I do not recommend holding this plate while it is heating your food, as it is very hot. It comes in a neat, nifty little carrying case. You just set that over your case or right over your plate, so that no weight can be put on the plate, and then it would not react. You can reuse it. You just have to put it in the freezer for 2 hours, and the CaCl2 will go back to the other side, and the water will go to the other side. And it's $20 at any convenient Walmart.
Well, I don't know about you guys, but that is very interesting to me. I actually ended up ordering one here, and it's actually pretty neat if you think about it. I mean, there's this great cover over it so I can set things on top of it without setting off the reaction in the middle of my kitchen. I'm thinking about ordering one for my looks like I'll probably just have to get one for my dog. Excuse me, sorry. Okay, well, now, I would like to also hear about the cold cup. There's probably another name for it, but I'm not sure yet. So, I'm going to send it over to the other German scientist. I think his name is Gibbs, but I'm not completely sure. So, excuse me now while I go warm up my amazing lasagna that my mom made for me.
Hey Joe, my name is Gibbs NOJ3, and I would like to show you folks at home the amazing design of the new Frozen Delight. What this product does is it makes any liquid ice cold in under 30 seconds. This is hard for many to understand, so let me give you a closer look. and how this works at a chemical level.
As you can see here, this is potassium nitrate. It's taking heat and making K plus NO3 negative. Now the heat that's being absorbed is what makes the coldness in the product. It's all very deep in science. I don't want to go any further detail. Hello, this is another way of looking at it with a different graph. Excuse my artistic skills. Harvard didn't teach me everything. Okay, as we can see, it's energy by joules with time. Okay, so the reactant started at a low amount of energy, small amount of joules. This is the amount of energy it takes to start the reactant, the activation energy. Okay, so once it starts, it ends higher than where it began. The delta H is positive, which makes it an endothermic reaction. With this being concluded, we can see how the coldness comes from this reaction. Well, once again, here's the frozen delight. And as most of you will be wondering, how does this work? So I'm going to show you. Well, if you look here, you can see small ridges in the side of the cup. And this is where the KNO3 is stored. The rest is just water. So if you pour water into the cup and wait about 30 seconds, this ridge will break and the reaction will take place, turning your liquid from a nasty lukewarm into a nice refreshing drink. It also comes in this wonderful Target portable cup. Yes, we have Target in Germany, and we also have Mr. Heat's favorite store, Walmart. Hope this changed your life as it has mine. Farewell.
And now we're back with another great new product. And I'm not sure about you guys, but I would sure love an accent like that. Anyway, this is a great product and actually pretty interesting. And of course, I did have to order one myself. I mean, pretty thirsty after that lasagna I ate earlier. So, as you know, my water's been sitting here all day, so it's pretty lukewarm. I'm going to try to go make this cold with this new one that I ordered here. So, before I do, I want to send you off. Today, we learned about 2 great new products. And yes, of course, I have both of them, and so should you. It may seem crazy, but this really does work. That lasagna, Mom, was very, very good. So if you're watching this, it was amazing, and I love you. And the rest of you, I will see you tomorrow with Thermo News at 10. And I'm off.